Hi again. I am Muhammad, the 3D Chief and Interactive Media Officer at Arise Company. During this video, I will explain how to materialize 3D assets in 3ds Max for exporting as a GLB file and what properties the materials can have. For this purpose, I have prepared a 3D model to display material settings in 3ds Max software. As you can see, this model has raw and white material. First, I create new material. From the general section, I can choose one of two types of material: PBR material metallic, roughness, or PBR material specular, glossiness. This choice is related to your texture type. I choose the metallic, roughness type. In this type of material, you can have maps for base color, metalness, roughness, AO, normal, emission, and opacity. Okay, I'll start by creating a map for the base color. I have already prepared several different colors for the helmet, but I choose the first color, the red set. Okay, now I will select the desired parts of the model and assign the created material to them. To create maps for other properties, I can also connect them to the material by copying the original map and changing the address of the map. Now I create a new material to create the glass material. I will change the name of the materials to create order and better management. In this material model, the only map it needs is the opacity, which I have already prepared. I select this file for the opacity map and assign the material to the desired part. And of course, I choose a dark color for the glass from the base albedo color window. I hide the glass and select the remaining parts to which the main body material should be assigned to them. As you can see, my model is ready for export, so I go to the Babylon menu and select the desktop address and the name of the helmet. I activate the KHR_texture_transform option and click on the export button. Then I open my browser and go to the playground.arise.io page. I find the file from the saved address and drag it into the relevant part. I hope you find this video useful.